The recipe which we wish to share today is a dish which has more than 4000 years of history. And this is one of those dishes which is very special, healthy, tasty, and also is loved by everyone. This is special not just because of its ease in preparation. In our opinion, it is special because of the variety of flavors that this can be consumed with. Therefore, without any further ado, let us learn to prepare this easy, healthy, and tasty idiyappam at homes. If you are here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon. This helps, inspires, and motivates us, and also marks a good beginning to our friendship. The first ingredient to prepare idiyappam is dosa rice. Here we have taken 1 cup or about 250 grams of dosa rice. Let us wash the rice till the water runs clean. And then it's a good idea to soak the rice overnight with clean drinking water. If you can't soak the rice overnight, let it soak at least for 5 hours. For the best results, we have soaked the rice overnight, and it is now time to grind this with the help of a mixer grinder. The next most important ingredient for idiyappam is grated coconut. For every 1 cup of rice that we soak, we need half a cup of grated coconut. So here we are taking half a cup or 100 grams of grated coconut. And then let us add a little water and grind the rice as well as grated coconut into a fine paste. It is important to add very little water while grinding, because if we add more water, it will be difficult for rice to grind finely. After grinding this mixture, the next ingredient is king of taste, Mr. Salt. We can dilute the mixture after grinding the ingredients into a fine paste. And by the way, we have used 500 ml of water for the recipe. And now is the time to place the mixture onto the stove top and heat the mixture to a binding consistency. The most important point to be kept in the mind is to keep stirring the mixture so that it doesn't get burnt at the bottom. It takes about 7 minutes for water to evaporate and mixture to thicken. But the indication to take this off the stove top is when the mixture can be handled without it sticking to the bottom. The next step in preparing idiyappam is to steam the mixture that we have already cooked partially. Now let us shape the mixture into teeny tiny spears or in a desired shape and place it into the steamer basket. It takes about 15 minutes to steam the spears to a consistency where it can be pressed perfectly. The most important equipment to prepare idiyappam is idiyappam press or shavige press. We can either use large shavige press or small chakli press to make idiyappam. For the purpose of this video and this episode, we are using both the equipments. Before we start pressing these rice spears, let us take a tray and spread a wet thin cloth over it. And now let us go ahead and start making these idiyappams. But in our experience, we found chakli maker to be a very difficult equipment to make these idiyappams. As the steamed spears are required to be hot while preparing this idiyappam, we almost burnt our hands using this small chakli maker. Let us cover the wet cloth over the pressed idiyappam so that it doesn't dry out. Now let us prepare idiyappam using the large shavige press. It is quite easy to use this equipment because it is almost effortless, and most importantly, we don't burn our hands. The only prerequisite to prepare idiyappam using this large shavige press is requirement of 2 people, and thus it is final step of preparing idiyappam. And by the way, this is it, my dear friends. Easy, tasty, healthy, and the dish liked by most of the people, idiyappam is ready. But as mentioned earlier in this video, this can be consumed with variety of flavors. One such flavor that we make at home is using coconut milk. Here we are taking 1 cup of coconut milk. To that we are adding half a cup of melted jaggery. To intensify the flavors, to this we are adding about 1/4 teaspoon of elaichi powder. The flavors in this mixture will easily be loved by children, and most importantly to all those people who love sweet food. And now it is time to plate the idiyappam that we have prepared. The first flavor that we are choosing to serve this is with easy and simple chutney induced with flavors of asafoetida. The next flavor that we are choosing to serve is the dish from our previous episode, that is batate humana. And the third flavor is of course the sweet mixture prepared from coconut milk. After the sweet flavor comes the spicy appe midi pickle. If we add a teaspoon of coconut oil after adding the pickle, then the taste of it can be enhanced even more. For our next flavor, we are adding a little bit of grated coconut, and onto that let us add a little bit of powdered jaggery, and finally a lot of ghee. Take my words, my dear friends, this is one of the classic flavors to consume if you love sweet food. And the final flavor this can be consumed is along with the chutney powder of your choice. And this is it, my dear friends. One dish but variety of flavors. We are sure that you will make this at your homes and enjoy the flavors generously. If you liked the video, do give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends as well as family. Let us meet again soon. Until then, celebrate life, celebrate cooking, and have fun wherever you are.